Little guy ran off with that rabbit this morning. He must have just killed it. It doesn't look like it's been dead too long. It doesn't look like the morning. So the white one took it away. Here's Piggly. Let's see what Piggly does. Piggly? Hey. If you mess with Piggly, he might kill you, okay? Piggly? Get Piggly anxious. It's a tense moment. Tense moment. But there's no way that this dog could take Piggly. Piggly? He's soft. I don't know if I want Piggly even let them up. This guy ran off with him this morning. Kids over at the house when I came out, and the little white and black dog ran away from him. This one must have caught him, or one of the females. Okay. Come on, Piggly. Hey, go eat some food, dog food. Come on.